In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your inbox layout in Gmail. The layout of your email inbox can significantly affect how you manage and prioritize your emails, so it's beneficial to understand the options available and find the layout that works best for you. First, you'll want to log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon, which represents your settings. You'll notice a side panel that appears aptly titled Quick Settings. This is your gateway to modifying how your inbox is organized. Under the inbox type section of this panel, you'll see several layout options. The first option is default, which is perfect if you like a bit of automatic organization. This layout includes tabs like primary, social, and promotions, making it easier to categorize your emails without much effort on your part. Next, we have important first. Selecting this option means that emails marked as important will always be displayed at the top of your inbox, ensuring that your most crucial messages are easily accessible. Similarly, there's the unread first option, which pushes all unread messages to the top. This is particularly useful if you're someone who receives a high volume of emails and wants to focus on new messages first. For those who rely heavily on starred emails, the starred first layout will be the way to go. It highlights all your emails with a star at the top of your inbox. If you're someone who works with a diverse range of emails but likes a bit of structure, you might choose the priority inbox. This feature smartly sorts your emails into categories like important and unread, starred, and everything else. Finally, there's the multiple inboxes option, which allows you to create custom panes for different email categories or labels. This layout is ideal for those who prefer a more personalized setup. If you find that these quick settings don't offer enough customization, there's more you can do. Click on See All Settings to delve deeper into your Gmail configuration. Here, navigate to the Inbox tab to again choose your inbox type, customize sections such as starred or important ones, or turn categories on and off, like primary, social, or promotions. You can also manage the importance markers, tailoring the system to how you assess and treat your emails. Once you've tweaked and adjusted everything to your satisfaction, don't forget the final step. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This ensures that all your preferences are saved and applied to your inbox. And there you have it. With these tips and guidelines, you can now tailor your Gmail inbox to better suit your email management style. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.